Right now, you're making $75,000 a year. You just opened your investment app. Balance, $1,240. You've been investing for 14 months. You feel responsible. You feel like you're doing the right thing. You're 38 years old. Here's the number you haven't looked at: you have 27 years until retirement. At $100 a month, at a 10% historical average, you'll retire with approximately $133,000. The median American retirement expense is $4,000 a month. $133,000 lasts 33 months. You're not building a retirement. You're building a buffer that runs out before you turn 70. The math doesn't lie. Let's be precise about you. You're 35 to 45. You have a salary. You have a car payment. You have a 401k you enrolled in because HR sent a reminder. You contribute somewhere between 3% and 6%. You tell yourself you'll increase it when the next raise comes. The raise came. The contribution didn't change. But the apartment did. The car did. The subscriptions did. According to the Federal Reserve's 2023 survey of consumer finances, the median retirement savings for Americans aged 35 to 44 is $45,000. Not $450,000. $45,000. You're not behind because you're lazy. You're not behind because you make too little. You're behind because for the last decade, every time your income went up, your lifestyle went up first, and your wealth building went up last, if at all. That is not your failure. That is the system working exactly as designed. The subscription drain nobody calculates. Let me show you where your $100 is going before it ever reaches your index fund. You spend $273 a month on subscriptions, and you underestimate that number by 2.5x. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Spotify. Gym membership you use 4 times a year. Amazon Prime. Apple One. Duolingo Plus, because you were going to learn Spanish. You don't feel these payments. That's the point. They were designed to be invisible. $273 a month, every month, withdrawn automatically, silently, from an account you check less than you should. Now run the math. $273 a month invested in an S&P 500 index fund over 20 years at 10% average annual return, $207,000. Not from a raise. Not from a side hustle. From canceling things you forgot you were paying for. You're not poor. You're being drained. Automatically. Monthly. With your consent. Now, let's look at the next level, where most of the middle class, including you, is currently drowning. Your lifestyle inflation trap. You got the promotion at 32. $58,000 became $75,000. Here's what happened next. You moved to a better apartment, $400 more a month. You traded the 2018 Civic for a 2023 RAV4, $640 a month, 72-month loan, 8.9% APR. You upgraded to the iPhone 15 Pro on a payment plan. You started ordering DoorDash on weeknights because you work hard and you deserve it. Every single one of these decisions made sense in isolation. Together, they consumed every dollar of that raise before it could build anything. This is lifestyle inflation. And it is not accidental. Auto dealerships model their pitch around monthly payment, not total cost. Apple refreshes every 13 months. DoorDash's entire UX is engineered to reduce friction between hunger and purchase. They are not selling you products. They are selling you the feeling of arrival, the feeling that you have finally reached the level of life you deserve. You're not wealthy. You just have a high credit limit. And while you were purchasing the feeling of arrival, the people who actually arrived were quietly maxing their Roth IRA. The annual Roth IRA contribution limit is $7,000. That's $583 a month. You're spending more than that on debt payments and subscriptions combined, without realizing it. The math doesn't lie. The system was built to drain you first. Here is the part the financial industry will not tell you. Wall Street profits when you invest. But consumer finance profits more when you spend, and spend on credit. The average credit card APR in 2025 is 24.26%. Every time you carry a balance, you are paying the bank to hold your own money hostage. Your $100 per month investment strategy is real. Compounding is real. But it is a math equation with a hole in it, and the hole is the $503 you're hemorrhaging before you even open your brokerage app. You were never taught this in school. Budgeting was not in the curriculum. Compound interest was a chapter. Credit card fine print was not. The system needed you to spend first. Borrow second. Invest what's left, which is nothing. Stop trying to look rich, and start trying to be wealthy. These are not the same destination. One requires monthly payments. The other requires monthly discipline. You're 38. You have 27 years. 27 years of $100 per month gets you $133,000. That number does not work. But 27 years of $400 per month, which is what you recover when you cut the subscriptions, drop the gym you don't use, and stop upgrading your phone on a payment plan, gets you $533,000. Same salary. Same life. Different decisions about where the first $400 goes each month. Here is your one action for this week. Log into every bank account and credit card statement from the last 30 days. Write down every recurring charge. Every single one. Then ask one question about each: did you use this? Did it change your life? Cancel everything where the answer is no. Then, before you spend anything else, automate a transfer to your Roth IRA or brokerage account for exactly the amount you just freed up. Not tomorrow. Not when the timing feels right. The timing will never feel right. That's also by design. Check your FICO score this week. Know your credit card APR, know your total subscription spend. You cannot fix what you refuse to measure. The machine is open. Feed it before the system feeds on you.